In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Netflix says your account is on hold because of your problem with your last payment. Let's get started. First, launch your Netflix app or navigate to the official website of Netflix. Make sure you are logged in. If your account is on hold, you'll usually see an option to update payment method or resolve payment issue. Select it and follow the on-screen instructions. Next, verify that your payment details are correct. Make sure your card number, expiration date, CVV, billing address, and chip or postal code match the information your bank has on file. If your card has expired, replace it with your new card details. If everything looks correct but the payment still fails, contact your bank or card issuer to check whether they decline the transaction. They may also have blocked the payment for security reasons, or there may be insufficient funds in your account. Once the issue is resolved, try the payment again. If your current payment method continues to fail, you can switch to a different payment option such as another credit or debit card, PayPal, or a Netflix gift card if it's supported in your region. After your payment is successfully processed, Netflix will automatically remove the hold on your account and you will be able to continue streaming. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.